Hey there, we're back at it again. Got a impound over here. This is you can't see it, it's a long ways over there, but I got a white Altima over there. It's got a flat tire, and I just left the office. The manager says get them out of here. If they've been tagged and they're not fixed, and get them out of here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go over here and load it. We'll see what happens. There's always a reason they tow cars. They never tow them without a reason. Anyway, we're off to the next one. Anyway, I'm back at the yard over here with this flat tire. And basically, I can tell you, property managers, they run into these problems on a regular basis. They got cars that are flat tires. That hadn't been moved in a long time, and it's their obligation to keep the property up, make the property look nice. The property that this one came from, they have a nice pool that's a resort style pool. They have the dog park, they have the fitness center, they have all these amenities. All these properties here are competing which one has the best amenities. And anyway, when they get a couple of new residents, potential new residents, come to the property, and they want to show them the property, so they drive them around on the golf carts. And if they got flat tires and bad looking vehicles that are untagged, it just makes the property look like crap. Whoever might rent the property, they'll see the bunch of broke down cars and stuff like that, and they're not going to rent. They're not going to rent from that property because it looks shady. I'll give you a prime example right here. This is a car we towed from a property, Bobby DeKalb County. But what property manager is going to allow a car like this to remain on their property? Now, granted, this was done by somebody. Somebody destroyed this car. They threw bricks and blocks and a metal pole through the windshield. But either way, the property manager can't leave this on the property, or they're gonna have to answer for it from somebody. Every property manager's got a boss above them that they have to account to. Anyway, I'm off to the next one. We got another one we got to go get. Same property we got this one from. Walking over here, there's a car that was a sticker the other day. Parking in a handicap spot. You got a placard? You got a handicap placard? No. This car is on my tow list to tow because it's in a handicap. Do you have a placard? Do you have a handicap placard? Can I help you, sir? All right, I'm gonna hook it up and stay right there where you're at. What's going on, man?
What's up? How can I help you today?
You got a handicap placard?
You already told my other vehicle.
Which one?
Don't worry about it. You told it already.
You parked in a handicap, man.
It wasn't parked in a handicap.
Is this one? Is this car handicapped?
It wasn't parked in a handicap.
Okay.
Told you.
Well.
Okay. So.
Hey, why don't you go in there and talk to the manager? We don't tow.
I already spoke to him. You go
Okay.
speak to him.
Okay.
You come on over here to ask me questions.
I asked you if you got a handicap tag, because if it ain't, I'm supposed to remove it.
Don't bother me.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna hook this car, bro.
That's what you choose to do, then do so.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be in the vehicle. So wherever we go with the vehicle is where I'm going. And then when you get there, you can explain to who you need to explain to. Because evidently somebody on the wrong page here, but we're gonna get to the bottom of it and I'm gonna find out.
Well, if you got a handicap, hey, the only person that are in the wrong if you don't have a handicap placard, it's you. This is a handicap spot.
Why you told my first car?
You don't.
Why you told?
Because you got a flat tire.
I had a flat tire.
Yeah, you got a flat tire. Okay. I got it on. I got everything on video,
so you
man.
telling me there's a flat tire?
Yeah. That. You come out to Altima?
In the middle of a pandemic, you towing cars?
Yeah, we towing cars, man. Hey, you parked in a handicap, man. I ain't running nowhere. Running where? What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Who authorized?
Who authorized what?
Who authorized the tow?
Who do you think?
I don't know. You tell me.
Well, you said you don't talk to the manager.
So then they sent you out here.
Yeah, that's who calls it. I don't come over here and tow it myself.
And I'm gonna do mine.
Okay. Well, I tell you what.
At the tow yard. Don't worry about it.
Okay, that's good. Hey, but if you're not handicapped, man, handicapped people need it.
Don't worry about that.
Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
Irregardless of what you
That's not irregardless nothing. It's irregardless you're parked in the handicap spot, man. Okay.
What you came here to
okay.
do, what you can't.
Okay.
You towing everybody's car? He just asked me. He just said he want to talk to me while I'm in the car. I just pulled up. I was on the phone with you about the other vehicle that got towed in. So you towing my vehicle?
You already got one vehicle?
Are you towing my vehicle?
I'm asking you.
I'm not asking you questions.
Okay.
Well, he got you. So I'm asking you a question. Are you towing my vehicle? My vehicle's on the tow list or not?
Yeah, sticker. There's a sticker. You mean yank it? Don't yank it. Keep it on video. See if you can get some YouTube clicks on it. I'm gonna get some clicks on this. I bet you I'm gonna get some clicks on this video.
Don't worry about that.
I ain't worried about nothing.
I'm good always.
Good deal.
I
Yeah.
don't know who you got.
You got sticker last night, man, or yesterday. You got sticker, man, for being in a handicap spot. You're in a handicap spot. All right.
You want something done, come ask me.
Yeah. That's what I did. I asked you if you got a placard, man.
You ask nothing.
You refused to answer.
Ask nothing.
You refused to answer.
Ask nothing. All you talking about, get out the car, I'm talking.
No, I didn't say. Hey, I got the whole thing on video. You lie like a damn rug, man.
Well, like I said,
Yeah. Hey, she told me to hold up, so I'm holding up. Otherwise, I'm gonna hook it. I'm gonna hook it, man. She tells me to tow it, I'm gonna hook it. Yeah.
Okay, so you're just gonna keep the picture? Okay. He just took the picture. He said that he's going to keep it for corporate purposes, but his vehicle's in park. He's saying that's in neutral. I'm not sure. Like, I've seen his vehicle here a few times parked.
Yeah, we tagged it yesterday. There was an orange sticker right here in the back. Well, what's going on right now, though? Like, what's going on?
I don't know what's going on. You say you want me out the vehicle so you can take the video.
That's not true. I got every bit on camera. I asked if he had a placard. He said, get up. He said,
So is he?
what are you talking about, man? Come on, bro. I asked you if you had a placard. You said, get away from the car.
Get away from my car. That's exactly what I told you.
If you don't have a placard, I'm here to tow it. That's what I do.
Me, correct?
I asked you if you had a placard on video. Just call the police out here. They can write him a $500 fine. Let them do that. I mean, it's up to you. It's your property, or I'd already hooked it.
Listen,
you told me to hold on a minute, so I did.
It don't even matter. You got one of the vehicles, take the other one.
Yeah.
All right, so,
That's completely up to
yeah,
the
you
property.
Go ahead and drive by.
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the back. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm sorry. I'm not, all I did was ask him if you had a placard. That's all I did.
I got it.
Because that's what I do. Anyway. Anyway, the office manager came out there and she basically gave him a pass. And that's her right to do that. She can do what she chooses to do. The guy, he's mad because we already towed his other car. One with a flat tire, he said wasn't flat. Anyway, he's just an entitled person. And he can park wherever he wants to until the tow guy gets there. But he was going to make a scene, that's for sure. She could have called the police out here, and they would have forced him to get out of his car. But this is not about drama. This is about cleaning the property up and having the least amount of controversy on the property. You know, they don't want controversy on the property. So she chose to ask me to go to the next car and hook it, and that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna hook this next one. Anyway, I just dropped off this MDX here, not same property, but I'm gonna walk over here and show you which the white Altima that I towed first was the car that belonged to the gentleman that was parked in the handicap spot. And that manager, this just goes to show the managers have complete control over what we tow. We don't tow unless the managers give us authorization. If it was up to me, that guy would have had to pay that out for parking in that handicap, but it wasn't up to me. He claimed he didn't have a flat tire on his car, and he made a big stink about it to the manager. Says tire wasn't flat, and we towed it illegally. The tire was flat when we got there. It was flat when it was stickered. That's just how it goes. But like I said, that manager, she called me off. I can't put these managers, I can't put their faces on my YouTube. That's something I can't do. I can't put the property managers on YouTube. Because that would put us in jeopardy, and they don't want to be on YouTube. They don't want their faces on YouTube. So I can't put the manager on there. But she did. She called me off on that. She called me off on that impound. Told me not to tow it. The reason she did that is to keep from having an altercation on her property, which was the right thing to do. The managers are, they're responsible for what happens on their property. She called off the tow to keep a confrontation from getting worse, which is the proper thing to do if you run a property. You don't want confrontation, or you don't want anything happening on your property, and that's what managers do. They make decisions that are going to benefit the property. Anyway, he just pulled back into the lot, and he's not getting out of his car. The guy that was parked in the handicap, he's not going to get out of his car. I don't blame him. I wouldn't get out either.